Everyone, my name is Mahisaka Putra. In this short video, I'm going to explain the summary of two videos about organizational design. So the first video talks about what organization design is and how it context strategy, structure, and the people. The second video explains an organization design toolkit for HR with key questions that can guide leaders when they want to redesign their organization. So first, I will talk about the first video. What is organization design? In this video, the speaker explained that organization design is not only about making an organization chart. It's about aligning many elements of a company, such as strategy, structure, process, metrics, reward, and people practice. So that the organization can execute its strategy effectively. When these elements fit together, the organization can perform better and respond to change its environment. So the video also introduced the star model, which includes 5 main points: strategy, structure, process, rewards, and the people. So strategic describe where the organization wants to go and how it wants to compete. Structure is how people and units are grouped and how reporting lines are arranged. Process show how work and information flow across departments. So rewards influence what behaviors are encouraged, and the people refers to skill, culture, and HR practice. And the idea is that all of this must be consistent with with each other. So culture is not designed directly, but it emerges from how these elements work together in everyday life. So another important part of the first video is the design process. The speaker mentioned several milestones, such as understanding the business strategy, identify the capabilities that are needed, so diagnose the current design and its gaps, choosing and integrating a new structure, and finally manage the transition. So this means that organization design is a step-by-step process, not just one at time drawing of boxes and lines. Now I will move to the second video. So the organization design toolkit for HR. This video focuses on the role HR in organization design. It explained that HR should not only be an administrative function but also strategic partner when leaders want to redesign how the organization works. The toolkit is built around several guiding questions that help to structure the conversation about design. In this video, show that good organization design starts with clear choice about growth and direction. So HR and leaders need to ask what market or segment the organization wants to serve and what capabilities are needed to win in these areas. Then they need to diagnose the real design problem. So sometimes the problem is not the people, but unclear roles, too many layers on, or poor coordination mechanism. And the toolkit encourages HR to ask whether the current model supports the strategy or not. So the video also talk about choosing the right organizational model and defining the contribution of each level in the hierarchy. Is asked how different units should be integrated, where tensions are likely to appear, and what governance forum or meeting are needed to keep everything aligned. And finally, it's highlight the importance of enabling people in the new critical roles, for example, by giving them clear expectations, support, and development. And to conclude all, both of video are closely related and complement each other. The first video gives a more broad explanation of organizational design as the alignment of strategy, structure, process, reward, and people, and it's introduced a model and process for designing organization. The second video gives a more practical toolkit for HR, using key questions to guide leaders from strategy and diagnosis to detail design and implementation together. And together, this video shows that organization design is thoughtful and structured effort to make organization more effective, not just a change in the organization chart. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.